A talk show made for people who are craving technology with entertainment. This is not only a talk show, this is not just about technology. It's the Tech Show. Help me welcome your host, Rex Brandon Mission.
Hey, welcome to the first ever episode of Not Only a Talk Show. It's not just about technology, it's the Tech Show! We have a lot of viewers right now, and the thing is we are live, so the pressure is on. We are live right now on the different social media channels of Tech Show and in the ERR channel for channel 404. Alright, in this episode, we have invited some guests. They are information technology mobile application and web development students. And for this episode, they will be sharing with us their project in mobile application programming. We are very fortunate for this opportunity to be the first show that they accepted the guesting. Because for the record, we are the only show who invited them. Alright, before we welcome our first guest, let's read this Facebook post selected by our social media staff. It's from Raven Malabo. He said, "Wow, a show that I will be excited to watch. Hopefully it could help me improve my skills in programming." With the hashtag, of course, Tech Show. We in the Tech Show family also hopes for the same thing. Help young people learn more about the technology and as well as inspire people. Going forward, let me ask you a question. Are you ready to meet our first guest? I hear you all said yes. Our first guest lives in the vibrant municipality of Makuk with rich, colorful culture, delightful, delicious delicacies, and a home for world-class talents. A Maku's pride. Let's all welcome our first guest, Earl Mar Lohico. Earl, what can you say?
The energy that you have here in the show was
It's the
nerve-wracking.
kind of energy that we want to radiate to the world. So Earl, without further ado, tell us something about your project on mobile app
It's a
development.
basic app in Xamarin.
By just hearing its name, I know it's a life-changing project. So how does it
It
work?
displays the text. Here is my sample text. And it has another text in red color that says, here is my second sample text. And it has a button.
It was very astonishing. It could be the solution to our lifelong problems. Can you show us how does it work?
Yes, of course. I sent a copy of the video that your staff when I made a test and it runs with no errors.
Technical team, can we work on that video, please? Okay, thank you. Now let's all witness this very promising project of Earl Luhico. Basic app Xamarin, everybody. Thank you so much, Earl, for sharing to the world your remarkable basic app in Xamarin created using Visual Studio, a simple working Android app using Xamarin.Android.
It's my pleasure to share my ideas in this show.
Before you leave this show, would you like to share something more about mobile application programming?
What I learned something like how to code stuff and other stuff. You know, like hacking, making an application, running, failing some applications that, you know, make money. And it's hard, but if everyone's going to take the work, I guess it's take more time. That's all.
Our our viewers would really get a lot of takeaways for what you've said. Once again, thank you for joining us in this episode.
Thank you so much, Tech Show. Goodbye.
That was Earl Lohico with his basic app in Xamarin. Earlier, as we continue to broadcast, a lot of our viewers posted something about this show, and this Instagram post by Asha Zmao captures the attention of our social media staff. In his post, he attached our show banner with a caption, "A show of entertainment filled with technology-related education." Thank you, #TechShow, especially to your guest, Earl Lohico, for inspiring me to become a mobile app developer someday. We really felt your appreciation in our show, and our guest hopefully excuse me, that's not COVID. Hopefully the inspiration you get today will continue to grow in your heart and helps you achieve your dreams. If you've learned a lot from our previous guest, how about more with our next guest? She is from the place known as the City of Parks, Palm City of the Philippines, music and tourist capital of the South, City of Festivals, and the City of Perfect Harmony. It is Tagum City. Let's sorry. Let's welcome with a Tagumpay greetings at Tagumania Faith, Karil Abigail Disbos. How are you, Karil?
I feel absolutely great. It's good to be here. I mean, to be in your show.
It's really nice to hear that our guest enjoys the show. Without further ado, I would like to ask, because for sure our viewers would also like to know, what mobile application programming project you've done?
Oh, the project I mean. It's basically an improved version of Earl's basic Xamarin app. It now comes with an app layout.
Wow, you've made an incredible contribution in the field of mobile app development. It was started by Earl and you put modifications to it. Truly an exceptional innovation. I want to know, what layouts did you add to this application?
So what I did is that I added 3 selection controls and 2 app views.
It was undeniably a brilliant creation of yours through the love that you have for programming and coding. Am I right?
Yes, of course. I truly love codes and programming. It made such a huge impact in my life.
I won't argue to that. Is there something would you like to share to our viewers, to our online viewers, and to our viewers who are watching us live on their TV screens?
The thing that I learned in mobile programming is that one should be mindful of the codes added, the way it works, and how it contributes to the essence of the project. The different layouts, codes, and events needed to make that certain project work.
Surely our viewers right now are very overwhelmed by all the learnings that they have gained from what you have shared. Thank you for accepting our invite, Karil.
No, I would like to thank you for inviting me and having me in your show.
You are very much welcome to our show. Do you have any video to show us on how this improved version of Basic App in Xamarin works?
Oh yes, I did. I did have one.
Technical team, is the video good? Okay, let's take a closer look on Kareel's improved Basic App in Xamarin. Thank you so much, Kareel, for showing this project of yours.
Yes, I did love the experience. Thank you so much, and I hope I would be here for the second time. Bye!
Hope to see you soon. Our guest truly proved that we have reached far in the field of technology. It was a very productive day for everyone, I believe. Let's conclude this episode with a tweet from Phoenix Duterte. The best part in using Xamarin is that the code works on the different platforms. The code you write on Windows will definitely work just the same on Mac as the code. In this episode, we have learned a lot about mobile application concept and operating system principles and other components of development using the available cross-platform software with Xamarin Platform. All over again, I am Rex Brendan Mission. See ya in our next episode of not only a talk show, not just about technology, it's the Tech Show!